to the household.
Menteri Bidai Kemi Ekatnat Transport iba dasakhyat bah Lamare lo ong ba katnat kan se Kyndon shen yo minturang ba ke jalau Konrad Sangma banyakran halo ke jing pentrai kam ye Kyndon Pyniaid od event kenang ban Pynsting ye ke Jingdheng kali Palat Hasilong ke sorka keladap pentrai kam lupa kat tu kat negi Kyndon ban Pynsting ye ke Jingdheng kali Hasor Shillong kum ka jing penkenria ye ki office trai kam Shaniu Shillong Loong syuk-syuk bagi sokar kadang elek ban pentrai kami kilat kilenti berper-berper ban penduna ya ke Jingdheng kali ke balakha ke sokar jela kalau pentrai kam ru ya ke Kyndon Pyniaid odd event Hasor Shillong ban Pynsting ya ke Jingdheng kali bat ru ban Palat na ke jing yelum 4 ba ha ke second but third wave jong ke jing sapriang ka jingpang COVID-19.
If we could move mostly the offices to to New Shillong, to be specific about it, it will ease it. Yes, we'll be holding meetings again. I think after our session, maybe next week by Monday or Tuesday with the Honourable Chief Minister to review it. And if at all it's feasible, then we have no choice but to implement it again, just to control the traffic. We haven't finalized anything, but we are still working on various strategies that we could implement. But as of now, there's nothing as such which is finalized in a long term.
Ya ki kha prangut kinong